Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of ultraportables with a review of the Asus Zenbook. This sleek and powerful machine has been making waves in the tech community, so we're putting it to the test to see if it lives up to the hype. Design and build quality. Show a close-up of the Zenbook's aluminum chassis. First things first, the Zenbook is a stunner. Asus has crafted this laptop with a premium aluminum unibody that feels incredibly sturdy and luxurious. The iconic concentric circle pattern on the lid is a nice touch, and the overall design is both minimalist and elegant. Compare the Zenbook's thickness to another laptop. But beauty is only skin deep, right? Well, the Zenbook is no lightweight when it comes to build quality. It's incredibly thin and light, making it the perfect travel companion. In fact, it's even lighter than some of its competitors like the MacBook Air. Display. A feast for the eyes. Show the Zenbook's display with vibrant colors. The Zenbook's display is another area where it shines. The OLED panel boasts stunning visuals with incredible color accuracy, deep blacks, and sharp contrast. Whether you're watching movies, editing photos, or just browsing the web, this display is a treat for your eyes. Mention the Zenbook's touchscreen option. And for those who like to get hands-on, the Zenbook also comes in a touchscreen version. The touch response is smooth and responsive, making it perfect for creative work or casual browsing. Performance. Powerhouse in a tiny package. Show the Zenbook running demanding tasks. Don't let the Zenbook's slim profile fool you. This laptop is packed with a punch when it comes to performance. You can configure it with powerful Intel or AMD processors, plenty of RAM, and fast SSD storage. This means you can handle demanding tasks like video editing, coding, and even light gaming with ease. Compare the Zenbook's performance to other laptops with benchmarks. But how does it compare to the competition? Well, in benchmarks, the Zenbook holds its own against other ultraportables. It's not the absolute fastest, but it's definitely no slouch. And remember, you're getting all this power in a package that's incredibly thin and light. Keyboard and trackpad. Typing nirvana. Show someone typing on the Zenbook's keyboard. The Zenbook's keyboard is another highlight. The keys are well-spaced, have a satisfying clicky feel, and offer good travel distance. This makes typing a joy, whether you're writing a novel or banging out emails. Show someone using the Zenbook's trackpad. The trackpad is also excellent. It's large, smooth, and supports all the latest Windows gestures. It's so responsive that you might forget you're even using a trackpad. Battery life, all-day powerhouse. Show the Zenbook's battery life indicator. One of the biggest concerns with ultraportables is battery life. But the Zenbook impresses here too. You can expect to get around 8-10 hours of usage on a single charge, which is plenty for a full day of work or school. Ports and connectivity. Show the Zenbook's ports. The Zenbook offers a decent selection of ports for its size, including 2 USB-C ports with Thunderbolt 4, a USB-A port, an HDMI port, and a microSD card reader. This gives you plenty of options for connecting to external devices. Verdict. The new king of ultraportables? Show a montage of the Zenbook's features. So is the Asus Zenbook the new king of ultraportables? It's definitely a strong contender. It's got a stunning design, a beautiful display, powerful performance, and excellent battery life. It's also surprisingly affordable compared to some of its competitors. However, it's not perfect. The keyboard layout might take some getting used to for some users, and the lack of certain ports, like a full-size SD card reader, might be a deal-breaker for some. Overall, the Asus Zenbook is an excellent ultraportable that deserves serious consideration if you're looking for a thin, light, and powerful laptop. It's not without its flaws, but its strengths far outweigh its weaknesses. I highly recommend checking it out. Stay tuned for more tech reviews and comparisons. Hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to stay in the loop.